Hello guys, so now Miss Hương will have you to do workbook and homework for today, okay? So today you will do 2 pages of the workbook and 2 pages in the homework, okay? So this morning I teach you about the dinosaur already and help you to do this page. But now I will introduce again one more time to show someone didn't learn this morning, okay? So you look at the pictures and you will color the same Miss Hương. Okay. Now one more page. So you will this one. We'll do this one too. This afternoon I teach this page, matching the number. Okay. So when you finish, so matching the number. So now you will color the rockets for me. Okay. That's all for workbook. Now you will open your homework. Homework you do 2 pages too. The first page you will tracing the words of dinosaur for me. So you see the words here, you tracing for me. D, I, N, O, S, A, U, R, and now you write again one more time. You write by yourself below. D, I, N, O, S, A, U, R. Dinosaur. Okay, so now you will color for me this one. You color the dinosaur any color you want. Okay, when you finish you will next page you will matching this line and this line. You will count and you matching the same number. For example, this one have 3 ducks, so this is 3 toys, so you match together like this. Okay, this is 5, so you will matching with 5 points. Yeah, this is 8, so you will matching which one have 8 here. And this is 9, so you will matching with have 9 here. So now, and the last one, we have 10, so you will matching with 10. We have one picture, it says 4, so don't have, so that's okay, bye-bye. You don't need too much, that's okay, okay? So that's all for today. So see you tomorrow morning, okay? Bye-bye, see you again.